Hello, how you doing? Welcome back to another Sunday salad or salad Sunday. What we've got here is potato, beets and carrot salad. It's very, very, very simple, but it's delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so these three are cooked. 3 cups potato, 3 cup beetroot, 2 cups carrots. Now I cook them separately, but if you wanted, you could just put them all in to one pan and cook them at the same time. I mean, the beetroot would slightly colour the potatoes, but it will save you loads of time. 1 cup of onion. Let's get that all mixed together. So give that a little mix. Very simply, you're going to make a really simple dressing. Here I've got 1 cup of olive oil. Now this is a lot because this is a big salad. You can be reducing this down if you want. I mean the whole thing, I mean. And then here I've got 1/2 cup of vinegar. Now this is a date vinegar. So something like an apple cider or something would work maybe. But yeah, this is date vinegar. If you can get it, it's really nice. Black pepper. Salt. And then 1/2 cup of chopped parsley, or dill would work really nicely in here. Gonna give that a mix. Job done. And there you go. Very simple but very beautiful salad. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.